Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a Dollar Tree haul and a small Hobby Lobby haul. I'm going to start with the Dollar Tree. It's already on my table because I did this video and it quit recording, and I don't know when it quit recording, so I'm starting over. So here we go. Hello everybody. First thing I picked up today, not the first thing, but you know what I mean, was this foam mountain tape. I like these because they're square shaped, then they're round and you have to cut. And my store finally got them in, so I picked up 2 of them. Then a couple weeks ago we had Allie here, and when we were at the Dollar Tree, she picked, each one of the kids got $1. She bought these and she gave me and Scott a taste of them, and we liked them. So Scott's like, pick up those candy bars. So I picked up, and they're not actually a candy bar, they're a Krispy Kreme chocolate bar, and they are good. And they are crispy wafer with creamy nut filling and milk chocolate. And we liked them, so I picked up a few. I figured he could take a few to work and have a few for a late night snack for myself. I got them. I got me some Epsom salt. I like taking bath once, at least once a week. I take an Epsom salt bath in lavender, and just works my muscles. It works awesome on my back. Grab me some baby wipes I needed. And picked this up for one of the girls to paint. Thought it was cute. Dream like a unicorn. I'll probably give that to Allie because she's got a thing for unicorns. I'm always picking up little doodads like that for the kids to do. And then this morning, to watch my live video art journaling, I did a crayon where I took a pencil eraser and shaped crayons, and I said a food grater or cheese grater works really good. Well, I picked this up. This is what they had at the Dollar Tree, and I'm hoping it works. And just right here on this side. So I got that for my craft room. And then my honey, 4th of July. I don't know why I wouldn't need it from... Oh, we were going to pick up soda. So we went to Dollar Tree. And he's like, I'll run in because you'll take too long. And I laughed because I'm always finding something that I pick up for Scott. So he came out and he goes, I bought you something. So he bought me these. And I should have grabbed another set of this because it just dawned on me. But when we got home, it was only a 2-piece. He didn't realize that. So I bought another set, but now I'm thinking I should have grabbed another set because I have 1 big burner and 3 small burners. I could have did something with the extra plate. So I might pick up another set of these down the road. So today's thing I found for Scott is he's always losing his earbuds for his speaker things. And they had this. I was just going down an aisle. And I thought, even if I'll keep these little earbuds for the kids, but he can hang that off his thing, his keys, and then he can put his earbuds in there when he's done using them. Because he's got the ones that he charges, and they charge up to, I think, 10 hours. But he's always misplacing them. So, got him that. Then, they finally came in. I've been wanting any wooden beads to do something. So, they came in at my Dollar Tree today, or I just kept missing them, but they had them in, so I grabbed them. That was the first, nope, I'm not done here. And then, I found some stickers. I thought they were cute. Oops. Okay. I thought I hit the stop recording. I'm like, oh, you're okay, yeah. I'd have gave up if it stopped, but it didn't. You still can hear me. The little clock's still going. I found these little sticker books. I thought they were cute. Super sparkly sticker book. I love the cactus. It says, hug me. So I got that one. And there's that one. Look at those are my skates when I was a kid. They were just cute little stickers. Like, I need more stickers. But I got a sticker addiction. I might have to go to therapy again. So I got that one. Super sparkly sticker book. And I just love the little dog when I look through it. There's not many in these. Let's see. It doesn't really say how many. But I thought they were just cute. I'm always bought for the kids and nothing else. But I end up using them myself. But look at that little dog with the crown on its head. I thought it was so adorable. Got that. This one, she's got a necklace. I mean, look at that. Cute. So cute. Fabulous. And look at the unicorn. Peace symbol. So I got that. Them too. And then I thought these were cute. And I bought these mainly for Riley. But I may sneak a couple stickers or two because these are adorable. And I've never seen them before. 277 pieces. It says puffy nylon glitter laser stickers. And the first is puffies, and they're so cute. This one's the princess one. And unicorns, a little carrot. And then in the back, it's little hearts. Riley likes them, and Riley likes stickers. Allie and Coda are kind of outgrowing them, so this one is this one. It's a little space. I picked it up. It's boyish, but I figured Coda gets in the mood. I think this is a, where's the one? A sloth? I thought it was space. Okay, there we go. My fingers aren't working. I want to say these are the laser cut. And then this one has the stars, animal faces, the little paws. That. And then this one, I thought this was really going to be like a boy thing, you know, the way the cover looks. And then when I opened it, it was princesses and rainbows and dolphins. All the puffy stickers. And look at the ice cream. But you go from that to this, which is cute. I like looking at the little turtle, the drums. To then this one, which actually does have the pirates on. And then this one has fish, stars, seahorses, shells, and flowers. And this one, it's like this one was odd to me too. No, not this one. I love this one. This is my favorite. I love the little dog faces. I thought they're cute. And that. And then, oh, goes to the dogs. The thing that's cute on this one is they are back here, though. You know, it changes. And then this one has the hearts and paws. That. And I saw these planner stickers, and I don't think I have these. I know I have some, but I don't think they look like this. I could look. Right behind me. Okay, my planner stickers. Yeah. Because I'm like, why did this look different to me? So I picked them up. I thought they looked new. And you know what? They are new. Yeah. Okay, so that was good. I didn't buy oops, okay, because here are the first three I got. Yeah, so these are new ones. Okay, I'm happy with that. Cool. Now I'll show you the ones I was talking about. So it's unicorns, and I know this one was a unicorn, but it's different. And mermaids. I like the stickers in them mainly. I don't really use them in my planner. And a lot of times Diamond takes in the words. Diamond takes these out. She likes these. She uses them, so I usually take them out and send them Diamond. I haven't did those yet. She likes. So that's that one. And then there's this one with the leopard on. So I did good. I did good. I love the sunglasses. And then that one. Like I said, Diamond, I'll take these. I like the word. And of course that one has the dots. And then there's this kitty cat. And then it goes, I think, kitty cats to pandas. I thought they were cute. And then hearts. And then that one. And that. There we go. So that's that. Well, I'm going to stick them all together, so I'll put them away right away. Don't be home, me. Put them away right away. Okay. Oh, that was the first Dollar Tree. And then I went to my second Dollar Tree. My first Dollar Tree was in the same area as Hobby Lobby. So I asked Scott. Well, actually, Hobby Lobby's smack dab between two Dollar Trees. So this is the new store Dollar Tree. And I've never seen these before because I guarantee if I did, I'd have had a bunch of these bought. And they are the building circles. I think they look like gears. And I figured I could paint them and use them as gears. 30 pieces. So I got 2 packs of them. They look like a gear to me. Steampunk calling. So that, I got them. I never noticed them before. And I picked up this sticker pack of princesses for Riley. Riley made out today. Stickers. And y'all heard me or showed what is this? Descendants 3 gel pens that I said I liked, and then the princesses, and then the trolls. I said I wanted another set because I like using them. Well, the first Dollar Tree didn't have them, so I went back to the new Dollar Tree. I knew they had them, so I grabbed them. But at the new Dollar Tree, and see, I found my first set at my Dollar Tree. I have 2 Dollar Trees I go to now. They had the Wonder Woman, and they're more a pastel color, so I grabbed them today. And that is the and I grabbed these little spoons because I have a project I want to do with them. That is the Dollar Tree haul. Now, I went to Hobby Lobby. They didn't have what I wanted, but I did find some stuff. I found some stickers. I got this one. Hey, look, it's sprayed on March 17th. It says, haha, for 62 cents. It says, kiss me, I'm Irish. So I got that one. And then I didn't know if I had the Happy Valentine's Day one, so I grabbed it. I think these girls are cute. And then Happy New Year's. I know I didn't have this one. I like the clock. So I grabbed that. And then this Happy Valentine's Day one for 74 cents. And then this one, the typewriter and the birds I thought was cute. And I didn't remember if I bought it, but hey, what the hell. So I grabbed them. And then I went down the bead aisle because I was looking for the stars. And they didn't have them any left. The only box I found was this. And I thought they were kind of cool. And I don't remember if it was Sabrina that showed me these. They're like little puff balls, and you could put a string through them. So I grabbed them. I paid $2.24 for them. And then I got the last 3 boxes of rhinestones. So I got the small. I can't believe I went time those for $3.99. Small, a medium, and a large of these little rhinestones. Got them. And then I saw this. It's 89 cents. And it's 72 count foam shapes. And it's game controllers, headphones, game controller speaker, game controller TV, game controller, game on, high score. I got them for Diamond just to throw in Coda's little birthday bags. Upcoming birthday party. I thought it would be a neat idea. I don't think it's a sticker or anything. It might be. But 89 cents. And then I grabbed this for Allison for her birthday. It's just a little bonus gift. She likes hanging stuff off her backpacks. She likes the fox. And then when I got up at the checkout, I noticed how dirty the little face was in the back. And I'm like, yeah, I don't want that. And the guy noticed it. So The checkout guy was actually a manager. And I'm like, I can't believe how dirty that is. I said, I wonder if there's a cleaner one back there. And he goes, nope, that's probably why it's on clearance. He gave it to me for 25 cents. He marked it down to a quarter, so I took it. I'm thinking I probably can get that clean with a baby wipe. So, that is my big haul, guys. That's all the stuff. So, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you're having a good Thursday. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.